Welcome guys, this video is all about for those who are in search of a carpet cleaning machine and really don't want to waste their money. In this video, you will see Bissell Professional Pro Heat 2X Pet Carpet and Upholstery Washer. This machine is not only for people who have pets at their home, but this machine is very helpful for those as well who have little ones at home and who also love to look after their family's hygiene. The rental carpet cleaning machines can get very expensive at some stage. That's why this is a great option for people who like to maintain cleanliness and who can do cleaning by themselves. Another thing to consider is that many cleaning agencies use same cleaning machine to do little tasks. This cleaning machine is also useful for those who have small stores and shops. So I believe this machine can be used for commercial places as well. One important message for the new buyers is that please make sure before you purchase that there are few more versions of exactly same looking carpet cleaning machines. For reference, if you search online stores, it is really confusing to find the right machine for you because few have the same photographs but different prices, and few are also in different colors as well. Even I found a few were at double the cost. That's why I went to my local store and did some clarification and find there were 3 different machines with pretty much same sort of packaging but different prices. So that's why you can easily see difference in their prices, and mainly difference between all of them is the number of accessories that come within the box. The model here I have purchased is 2457H. Now let's head toward the next step, which is quick unboxing. As mentioned on the top of the box, there are lots of attachments in this box, including special rinse and storage tray and a couple of extra attachments, which makes it more expensive than other similar versions. So as I said earlier, please think and research properly before you purchase, because that storage tray and extra attachments might not be useful for you and it can save you some money in that way. So these are all things I got in this box. This is the rinse and storage tray, which comes in 2 different pieces, and it can be easily assembled by simply attaching the bigger piece to the smaller and connecting their hooks. Handle can easily be attached by inserting it in the given place on the top of the machine. And next is this part, which can be little tricky if it is not placed properly, and this is carry handle, and its main purpose is to carry wire. The carry handle firstly connects with the hooks and then it needs this screw which is taped on the handle. This is the formula container which will be staying on the top by slightly pressing into the top section, and with that all assembly is finished. Now I am going to uncover the rest of the stuff up next. There are enough attachments which are very useful to clean different and hardly reachable places. These all are made up of good quality plastic. That's why I give a solid thumbs up to this machine. The given hose is 3 meters long, which lets us use all the attachments by connecting one end to the bottom front side of the machine and other to any of the attachments. They also give a nozzle cleaning tool inside this box, which is very useful to keep the machine clean. And after all, there are 3 little bottles of formulas which are also included. Given code is very lengthy, which can be easily wrapped around the carry handle and bottom knob. To start carpet cleaning, its top container needs to fill up with water and formula according to the given pattern on the container, and for express cleaning, it needs to fill up according to the bottom pattern. And for max and deep cleaning, it needs to fill up according to the upper pattern. This is a 3.7 liter container and which can be easily filled by removing the lid on the top, and make sure water should not be more than 60-degree temperature. By putting on the flat surface, we can check if it is correctly filled or not. Now these are the formulas which I got with this machine. They all are in 236 ml of packings. These are wash and protect formula for tough stains and oxy boost for permanent stain removals. And for better results, these both go together according to the directions given on the back side. And the third one is 2-in-1 formula, which I think is best because this is stain, odor remover and antibacterial formula as well. So this will work as a sanitizer for the carpet or floor. I am going to use this antibacterial formula for mostly areas of my house, and that is why I have bought this bigger packing of the same formula, which also comes with an easy fill feature. First I am going to use this little packing by filling into the water and formula container. After that, it can be easily placed back on the top of the machine with a little press. And on the one side, this is the power button of this machine, and guys, this machine is super loud. Now I am going to start the cleaning procedure. The button given in the handle is for spraying the mixed formula, and by passing the machine on desired areas, it can clean the surface. This machine can spray the formula and sucks the dirty water back to the bottom container at the same time. According to the directions in the manual book, it needs few passes to the front and then to the back with spray on and few with spray off, so that it can suck all the dirty water as well. As I used this machine for deep cleaning for antibacterial cleaning, I did about 3 to 4 slow wet passes and 3 to 4 slow dry passes. I recommend passing it a few more times on the treated surfaces without spray can help to dry the carpet a bit early. Before proceeding to the further part of this video, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please support me by pressing the subscribe button, and I will continuously bring more helpful videos with my reviews for you. With 3 full containers, I just finished this much area, and the machine started leaving lots of carpet fabric material. So just a quick review here. The formula container needs to be filled again and again, and the fabric material with dirt will keep coming out of the machine's bottom. It can be cleaned by opening the front bottom part of the machine, but these things stop me from cleaning again and again for a few times. For extra care, I cleaned the machine a few times with rinse tray by putting water, which I found is not very helpful because all the dirts still stay inside the flap, and it can be removed with the nozzle cleaning tool. Other times the dirty water tank gets filled very quickly, but these all are easy to remove and attach. This machine is really easy to move from one place to another. I tested this machine on a few stains and it worked perfectly well. This stain was made up by the fruit juice and was a few months old as well. The Give and Clean short button for pre-treatment can be used for tough stains like this. Now this stain was made from color and it was really hard to remove, and here I tried one of the tough stain tools which helps it to fade a little bit, but I think it needs really strong formulas spray as well. I will show the overall results later in this video. I learned that cleaning bigger rooms with this machine is really hard. I believe it took longer because I was using the machine on a deep cleaning setting. With max and deep cleaning, it takes nearly 8 hours to dry up the carpet. But that also depends on the climate as well. As in cold temperature, it can take about 24 hours as well. But express cleaning provides a lighter clean with about 30 minutes of dry time, with 2 wet passes and 2 dry passes. So for doing such cleaning procedures, it requires lots of planning and time management. After doing all the cleaning, it requires leaving the machine in clean condition for longer life. So I opened the containers and rinsed them one by one with warm water. I definitely recommend checking out the manual before and after doing each step. Bottom section can be cleaned by using the rinse and storage tray with easy steps, or by removing this upper layer by pulling the accessory hose door, and then next layer, which is brush roll cover. For that, simply slide the front metal clip to the forward, and then pressing these 2 green buttons, simply slide up the cover. And here you can see how dirty both covers are. To clean them, you can simply put them under the warm water tap and then use this nozzle cleaning tool to remove fabric material stuck in the nozzle. You can see the dirt coming out of these covers, and please be aware these can also get stuck in the drain of the sink as well. I finished the cleaning procedure in the late night, and next morning this was the results. A totally neat and clean carpet, and it appears like a brand new carpet. So the carpet was like this before because I captured them in the dark, so the stains were not properly visible, and this is now after cleaning. There were only a few stains left which were still visible, such as that color stain. And this is the other room which I started first, and this room didn't have any stains as I did cleaning only for sanitization purpose. Overall, if I talk about these Bissell cleaning products, they are seriously good and very helpful if you like to keep your house neat and clean. There are a lot more heavy and big cleaning machines which can be more expensive and hard to move sometimes in the house. I recommend that if you don't like to spend more money again and again by hiring cleaning agencies, especially for your family or kids' hygiene or your pets, then this is a best choice for you. There are a lot more brands available in the market, and they might be cheaper as well, but they can't really beat this machine. Even though for the past few years this machine is the king of carpet cleaning household tools. Finally, I would like to say I hope this video helps you learn what you wanted to know about this machine. Or if you have any questions about this machine, please feel free to ask me in the comments section, and I will try to respond you as soon as possible. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel as your precious support for me.